Take like 3062 going. Alright, so guys, as you saw in the previous video, I just picked up this truck right here. The Chevy Z71. It's a 1995. If you don't know, it's a 1995 Silverado. Alright, and I'm doing like a quick cleaning on it right now. I don't have time to do like a big in-depth cleaning of it. So I'm using this stuff. This side came out pretty good so far. I'm using this stuff. I'm not sponsored or anything by them. It is called Fast Wax. I guess you can go on fastwax.net and get it. Supposedly, you don't need any water. And supposedly, like NASCAR and all those people use this. And honestly, I was a little skeptical about this. And it's actually working out a lot better than I thought. So that side used to look like this side, which I don't know if you could tell, but it's all dirty and grimy. Kind of see it there. See all that? That's how that other side looked. Had like all this black stuff on it. And it works really well. So the way you apply this, honestly, a man at a gas station approached me about this while I was filling up on gas, and he showed me on my Focus real quick, and he was like, yeah, you just spray it on the car, rub it with like a regular like terry towel first, and then like a microfiber cloth, and it comes out great. Honestly, I'm usually not one for gimmicks or anything like that, but this product is working out great for me so far, and I'll show you real quick. I'll show you real quick how it works. Alright guys, I want to show you on this little piece right here. Just spray it on. I really don't know how much to spray on, so I put on a pretty decent amount. I grab this crappy towel. Scrub till it comes to like a bit of a haze. And I take my microfiber towel. And now it feels like actual wax. You see, like the towel just slides across now. So instead of showing you the whole thing, you know, here's the nice like waxed part, and then here's the dirty part. So just like the difference, it's pretty crazy. So I don't know, man. I say it's worth it. I think it was I think they're $15 a can or something like that. And he got me, the guy who got me at the gas station got me to get 2 for $30, so I just did that. No, sorry, they're $20 a can. I misspoke. They're $20 a can, and he got me to do 2 for $30, so I did that just to give it a shot and try it out. So, Fast Wax, if you see this, sponsor me, because I'm gonna get you some people right now. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, if you want to, go for it, because I like the stuff so far. But, so I'm going to finish up here. I'm going to do the rest of the tailgate here, and then a little bit of the front of the truck. But I just wanted to introduce some of you guys into that if you never heard about it. I probably won't use that on the Focus, because I don't know how I feel exactly about rubbing like a terry cloth like that, like hard against my paint. Like, I mean, well, you have to rub it hard on this because this is filthy. This is really filthy. But I just don't know how I feel about rubbing that on this. I don't want to ruin the paint or anything. They say it won't, but I kind of don't want to risk it. I mean, I'll probably use it on the windows because they say it's safe for like windows, metals, and stuff like that, and plastics. But I'm probably going to mostly stay away from using it on the Focus. And that's probably it. That's all I got to say about that. So, if you liked it, please let me know. Drop a like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.